Information for you that I have changed my channel name from Technical Nikki to Technic. Okay, so don't be confused and please make supporting me. And if you're new here, so subscribe my channel and like this video, share with your friends. Okay, now in this video we will discuss about the arrays in C++. What are the arrays in C++? Basically, arrays are used to store multiple variables in single variable instead of declaring separate variable for each value. Okay, so we can use we can store the multiple values in a single variable using the array instead of declaring separate variable for each value. Okay, we no need to create a particular or individual variable for the each value. We can also define them into a array variable. So to declare an array, define the variable type and specify the name of the array, that is followed by the square brackets here. Okay, square brackets, and specify the number of elements it should store. Okay, so here the number of elements are 5 that will be stored inside the array variable. Okay, so also we have now declared a variable that holds an array of the 5 strings. To insert value to it, we can use an array literal, place the value in a comma or the separated list inside the curly braces, something like that. We have the 5 strings for our array, that is the apple, mango, grapes, orange and papaya, and the variable is string fruits, and we have the 5 strings. Okay, so we can take the value or the to insert the value to it, we can use array literal, place the value in a comma, separated list. Okay, that is the separated list in inside the curly braces. Okay, and after that array of 3 integers, we can, if we want to create the array for the integers, so here is the integer for 3 digits, so int digits 3 and the 10, and then we have to separate them with the comma 10, 20 and 30. Okay, and next topic is access the elements of array. How we can access the element of array? So here is the statement access the value of the first element in fruits, that is string fruit 5, first value is apple. Okay, so here is a example for this. And also remember that the index in programming starts from 0, not from the 1. Okay, the first value is 0 and the second is 1, third is 2, fourth is 3 and the fifth is 4. Okay, and if we type C out fruits and the we call the second first value, that is the 0, then it will output will be apple. Okay, it will print apple because we are calling the first elements. Okay, so and how we can change the array element? Okay, if we talk about the change an element of array, so string fruits 5, if we have something like the apple, mango, grape, orange, papaya, we want to change anyone from them 5, so we can change like this. If we have fruits and the first is our index is 0, so if we want to change apple to banana, so we can use something like that. Here we have redefined the name of the first string, that is 0, apple to banana. Okay, so now it will output, if we call print this C out fruits first element, that the output will be banana. Okay, so let's jump into a program and write a program for it for a great understanding about this example or this C++ arrays. Okay, basically a array is used to store the multiple values in a single variable. So here let me create a new file. Okay, wait, that is getting so slow. Create a new file and arrays.cpp. Okay, and here we get a new file, that is arrays.cpp. Now we will write a program that is the has, oh wait a moment, okay, stay, has include iostream, and here we will use has and the include string.h or we will use string.h, and here using namespace std. Okay, after that we will create our main function int main. Okay, inside the int main we will use the string fruits. Okay, and I will take the value of the array to 5 and equal to, okay, let's take it 5, and if we define its value or the name of the fruits, then we can use apple, mango and grape. Okay, and then papaya or papaya. Okay, papaya, and then we will use the banana. Okay, that's so cool. And here if we want to print the first number, okay, see out fruits, and if we call the first value, that is apple, then it will print it, return 0. Okay, wait. Okay, so now let's go ahead and execute the program, run this, and we will get the first answer, that is, okay, wait, apple, that is apple. Okay, we will get, oh, okay, here you can see apple. Okay, so let me tell you what is happening inside the program. So first we have used our string header file for use the string variable or for the array. So here we have the variable, that is fruits, and inside the fruits we have the 5 elements. Okay, that is apple, mango, grape, papaya and the banana. Okay, and here in the cout function we use fruits 0. So inside the index that I have told you in okay, wait, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it start from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Indexes will start in programming from 0, that I have told you a few minutes ago. So if we call the first element, that is the 0 inside our array, then it will print apple. If we call anyone from the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, then it will print the specify or the specify element from the array. Now at this time if I use 4, then it will print banana, and if I enter a unusable or a value that is not available inside the array, that will show an error or print nothing on our output screen. Now you can see banana is printed on the output screen, and if I say or print here 5, now we will see that nothing, or it will show an error. You can see it prints nothing on the output screen. So I hope you can understand that why it is not printing, and let me make it much more prettier. So the element is, or the fruit is, okay, the fruit is, and after that we will get the name of a fruit. Now print this, the fruit is banana. That's really awesome. Oh, wait, the fruit is banana. Let's make it 4, and it will print the name of the banana. So here we will, the fruit is banana. That's awesome. And if I say that if you want to change the element of any array, so first that fruits 2, okay, equal to. So for that what we have to do, okay, so then we have to change the name of a element. In the second we have the grapes. If we want to convert it from to guava, 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 and now execute this. If I, and here I call the second element of third element of the array. Now it will not print the grape, it will print guava. Okay, so let's see. The fruit is guava, you can see. And we have learned about the how to access the element of an array, how to change the element of an array, okay, and what is the array. So, and first thing and the last thing is that so here guava, fruits, and we can change the elements of any array. And if I use the array, okay, just comment it out. Okay, and if I use int digits, and then if I use something like that 20 30 and the 40. Okay, wait, oh sorry, I didn't use the size of the array, so it's showing error. So 3. Okay, and after that go to the cout function, and then okay, digits, and if I call the second element, that is the index 1, then it will print this value 30. So execute this. Now we will get the oh wait, cls, sorry for that. Okay, now execute this again. Now we'll get 30 on the output screen, and just wait for it. So now you can see 30 is printed on the output screen. So I hope you get the videos helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you guys, then like this, share with your friends. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I will see you in my next video.